right, it's Destined Rivals release date, and I never buy Pokemon cards, but because they had them at my LCS, I thought I should give it a try. So let's go ahead and see what I get. Comes with, let's see how many cards, 10 cards. All right. I don't know what I'm doing with this, but let's see. I am a very casual Pokemon enjoyer. So let's see what we got in here.
What are you hoping to get?
Psyduck.
All right.
Let's hope Psyduck or some of the seriously goth Pokemons. All right. Flip them like this?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Oh my God, what is this thing? Impident. He's like a little demon with a weird tongue. Okay. Aw, sad little seal cat dude. Oh, Porygon. Oh, he's like an origami bird. That's all I'm looking at. A tree. That's pretty cool. Team Rocket's Factory. Oh, what are you, Lauren? It's like a praying mantis. I like this one, Laurentis. I dig that one. That one's pretty. Okay, Team Rocket Transceiver. Aww, that one's adorable. Whatever it is, Breloom. Carbink. I don't know. Oh, well, he just looks like fun. Wabuffet. And an energy. This is the only one that has like a shiny around the edge though, so slightly foiled there. There we go. That is my Pokemon pack for Pokemon opening day. Dun dun dun. Look at this dude. Dude's crazy.